Good afternoon, children. Today we will see the last part in the circle, that is circumference of a circle. Children, for that you have to do one activity at in your home. That is, here take an any object having circular edges. If tiffin box is there, your that also the lid of that it is circular. Any object which have the circular edge, that you have to take, and one string you required for that. Here wind the string, here the string, that you have to wind a string along the edges to make a one complete circle. Yes, if this is circular edge or circular object, along with you have to make a complete circle with the help of string. Yes, here that shown in the figure, and which unwind the string and measure the length of that with the help of scale, like this. Here if it is a circular strings, you have to take and measure with that with the help of scale, and length of the string is the circumference of the object. Means circumference means what? The edge of a circle or boundary. Yes, children, that is known as the circumference, and circumference of circle can be measured with the help of string also. Yes, children, this is the circumference of a circle, and you by using this you have to do one activity like this. You can measure any circular object's circumference. Yes, children. So next part we will see here an arc of a circle, children. Here a part of a circumference of circle means, here if the circle is there, here in that, here that part of a circumference is called as arc of a circle. In the figure alongside point P and Q, here point P and Q divides the circle into two arcs. Yes, children, such points are called end of that arcs, and arc named by the 3 points starting from first one end of the circle, one end of, and the arc of the other end. Means here arc which PRQ. Yes, children, and another arc PSQ. Yes, children, another arc PSQ, and yes, R P R Q and Q R P are same. Means you can write from this side or this side. Both are same arc. Yes, children. Means arc of a circle is what? The part of the circumference of circle is called as arc of a circle. Yes, children. For next, you have to always remember this. Here circle is there. To avoid the confusion, use the 3 letters instead of 2 letter name as a arc. Here just see arc LM. Yes, this is not. Here RLM and RLOM. Yes, children, to avoid the confusion, you can write the 3 letters instead of 2 letters to name an arc. Yes, children. Now second figure, if an arc has more than one point between its ends, then any 2 points can be used to name the arc. Here just see A, B, C. This is also A, B, D, and this is also and A, C, D. This is also same only. Just see A, B, D and A, C, D. That is also the same arc, children. Understood, children? Now by using this we have to solve the practice problem set 31. Yes. So first question it is, in the figure given alongside point S, L, M, N N are on the circle. Answer the questions with the help of diagram. Yes, first question is write the name of arcs with the end points S and M. Here we start with S and end with M. So there are here two arcs, that is SLM, arc SLM, arc SNM. Yes children, means that start with S and end with M. Next, write the names of arc with ends point L and M. L and N. So in that, here first one LMN and next is LSN. Here that is start with L and end with N. Yes children. Next, second question, write the names of the arcs that point A, B, C, D in the given circle give rise to. Means what children? Here the arc with the ends A and C. Here A and C. In between that, which arc is there? A, B, C, A, D, C. Yes children. And arc with ends B and D. B, A, D, B, A, D and B, C, D. Yes children. How they are asking? Like that only have to write the name of arcs. Don't get confused. Yes, third one. Give the names of arcs that are made by P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. Yes. So, here the arcs with the end of P and R. Means here P and R's, which are PQR, PSR. Yes children. Next, Q and S. QR, yes. QPS, yes. RT, here R and T, yes. So in that RST and RQT, yes. So PS, here PS. So in between that PQS and PTS. Yes children. Next, last one, arc with ends T and Q. Here T and Q. In between that TPQ, TSQ. Yes children. Like that you have to write the name of arcs. You can draw the circles and take point on circles, and you can make the practice of writing the name of arcs. You can draw your own circle of any centimeter and take a point of your own and make a practice of writing the names of arcs children. Yes, today we will stop here. Question number 4 we will solve in next video. So thank you.